Okay, you know your work is worth more, but every time you try to raise your rates, clients push back. Sound familiar? Well, here's the truth. You don't need more clients. You need better clients who see your value. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to charge more for your video without scaring clients away. But before we dive in, if you're ready to start charging what your worth is worth, hit the like button and subscribe, because every week I break down storytelling and business strategies to help video creators like you make more money. Okay, let me get to work. Here's why clients push back when you tell them your price. It's because they don't understand the value you bring. They see you as a video person instead of a strategic storyteller who delivers results. If you're just saying, hey, I shoot and edit in 4K, you're setting yourself up for price objections. But if you say, this video will help you connect with your audience and increase sales, now you're speaking their language. So how do you shift from being just another videographer to premium creative professional? Let's break it down. How do you raise your rates without losing clients? Here's my 3-step formula to charging what you're worth and getting clients to say yes. Number 1, shift from selling videos to selling impact. Instead of, I make great videos, say, I help brands create videos that turn viewers into customers. Tie your work to business growth, engagement, and conversions. All right, number 2, create tiered pricing options. Offer 3 packages, maybe a basic, pro, and premium package, so clients have choices instead of negotiating prices. Let them pick their level of investment instead of just saying yes or no. Number 3, show social proof and results. Use case studies, testimonials, or even stats from past projects that show the impact of your work. Clients trust proof over promises. Show them why you're worth more. When you position yourself as a storytelling expert who delivers real results, clients won't see your rates as expensive. They see them as an investment. Ready for the takeaway? The truth is, clients aren't rejecting your price. They're rejecting what they think they're getting for that price. And that's why the way you position yourself changes everything. You can either keep getting price objections, or you can start attracting clients who don't blink at your rates because they understand your value. The choice is yours. Want to go even deeper? My master course, Start with Story, End with Wow, gives you the full roadmap to creating videos that get clients to say yes. And if you want personalized help fine-tuning your pricing, my next level one-on-one coaching will get you there faster than trial and error. So let me end this video with a proven success formula. Here it is. Better videos lead to better jobs, leads to higher rates, more money, and fulfillment. Thanks for watching.